Well, look at this. The long-awaited Grunge has arrived here at Ladyfingers. This is an absolutely fabulous blender. And as I've said to some of our, look, even Maddie's excited. I always wish that I had designed this, but I'll tell you what, Grunge is a wonderful addition to your stash. And certainly we're excited to have Grunge as part of our inventory here at Ladyfingers. I have 50 new pieces that have just arrived. I'm just going to show you this first box because we've got to hurry up and get this on the shelves before you arrive at Ladyfingers. But check out the texture. This is just an amazing painterly look that is good and grungy and works so well with almost everything from K-facet to certainly traditional prints and everything in between. So this is a beautiful lavender color. We have a really gorgeous red just in time for the holidays. Here is a really super indigo navy color. And another luscious, almost cobalt blue. And this is nice too. This is a brighter blue that has tiny little shots of turquoise in it. And wouldn't this be a great gray background? This is gray with touches of blue and lighter gray in it. A wonderful off-white with shades of gray. You can see these colors are just perfect for all your projects. There's a wonderful green that has bits of almost a turquoise and almost an olive. So that is a good bridge green, we like to call it here. Here's a great pink, nice, happy, girly pink. What's wrong with that? I can see already it's going with some of the new Cape Collective that we got in yesterday. And here is a super happy, bright orange one. Nice lemony yellow. Super Caribbean, deep sea. And a darker teal, like a mallard color. And a charcoal gray. So this is just a smattering of all the 50 shades of grunge that have just arrived here at Ladyfingers. So come on down to Ladyfingers Sewing in Ole or shop online at ladyfingersewing.com. Be sure to like us and follow us on Facebook and YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. Thanks for watching.